Alright, let's say you already opened the particular document you want to download, that you want to save, mm? Probably your course registration or your school fee receipts or any of your results. So you are using browser, mind you, you're using your phone browser. Then you already open it, or you already have the page. Then you click on these three dots by your, according to my own position. Now I'm having it at my right side of my screen, so that's what I'm clicking. Click it. Once you have it, then you have a new tab, new ignition tab, then history, clear browser history. You have your download, home book, and the likes. So without more stress, just you have your share button, share option there. So just click on the share option. Click on share. Then having you click on share, you have the normal option. You have your Gmail, you have the Telegram, you have based on your recent visit and the likes. Then you have copy link, you have long screenshots, you have the print option, you also have share the device, and then you have the QR code. So now we are printing because you want to save it as document, but so we are just to click on. I will just be clicking on print. So for me to click on the print, so then I have it here. I have it here as document. As you can see, save as PDF. You can navigate or printer. I mean, we connect the phone to printer. Now we can send it direct to printer as well to print it out for printer. But here we are saving it as document. So I will just click on this document icon. Click on the PDF rather. Then transfer it to your file manager. Then you save it with any name of your choice. Having you saving that with any name of your choice, then you can click on save. It will save as documents on your device. So that's how to just go about it without stress. So having you saving it on your device, then you can now probably go ahead and save it in your Gmail, or probably in your Drive, your Google Drive, or then you can back it up in your system or anywhere of your choice.